What is it about IRAs? Most of us are familiar with the American IRA, a unique solution to the problem of self-sufficiency. Individual retirement plan came into prominence after being introduced in the Employee Retirement Income Security Act of 1974, known as ERISA, allowing workers to contribute to a portable retirement account that they can take from job to job. Interesting side note, the acronym IRA is also synonymous with the Irish Republican Army that unnerved Britain during the 1970s and 80s, and then depending on your point of view, is either a terrorist organization or freedom fighters. As it pertains to retirement accounts, sheltering a certain amount of investment into a specific tax-advantaged savings vehicle definitely has its advantages, but comes with a complex set of rules and regulations. Each year, the IRS sets a maximum IRA contribution limit based on inflation. Yet, if you are over the IRS limits, you can still contribute to a non-deductible IRA. More details are available on the IRS website. Even 40-some years ago, the government recognized that unfunded liabilities would be impossible to meet for the whole working population, and that they needed to encourage people to make provisions for themselves. Different asset classes like property, precious metals, and even classic cars can be put into a self-directed IRA. Precious metals have continuously gained popularity for these tax-deferred investments. As long as they are in improved purity and kept in storage until retirement, gold, silver, platinum, and palladium are all eligible for inclusion. A more recent addition to the approved assets are cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. So, what and how does one choose? The main dividers between precious metals and crypto are risk and time. Gold has classically been the front-runner safe haven investment with over 5,000 years of history on its side. It is seen as a more suitable way of preserving the value of wealth rather than a speculative high-return investment. Silver, platinum, and palladium are more often seen as industrial metals and not so much as investment vehicles. However, silver has gained popularity due to the resurgence in the interest and results, as well as being a cheaper investment than gold. Cryptos are still new to the world of assets, furthering their acceptance on the world stage week after week. They're made valuable on the basis of either utility, like Ethereum, or scarcity, like Bitcoin, and are made applicable as an alternative currency for the exchange of goods and services, as well as by using the blockchain and encryption to facilitate secure transfers of information and smart contracts. The potential increase by thousands of % is driving an increasing amount of investment in cryptos for corporations and smaller companies, as their employees become aware of the advantages. The IRA has come a long way since 1974, enabling millions of Americans to enjoy happy and comfortable retirements. It is not often that the government initiative has proved both long-lasting and popular, but the IRA is here to stay.